I'm Robert with Habitat for Bats. Today we're at the Ogeechee Canal System in Savannah, Georgia. We stopped by here to visit for a little bit and just having fun. And I wanted to take time to do another frequently asked question. Pam asks, I have a fruit tree in my backyard. How can I keep bats from eating my fruits and vegetables? Well, looks like Pam is in the United States, which is where we are, and in the United States, our bats here are primarily insectivorous. We do have a few nectar-eating bats, but most of the bats here are insectivorous, and they're going to be eating the bugs that would want to eat your fruit and vegetables. So they're helping you take care of things and keep bugs out of your garden. Now, there are some bats that do eat fruit, but none of them are in the United States natively. And if you're in one of those locations, I would suggest you consult your local regulatory bodies to make sure that you can do things about the bats, that you're not breaking any laws or anything in your area. But the most frequent thing that I have seen done in other countries where there are fruit bats is simply putting netting, bird netting, over the fruits that you have growing on trees to prevent the bats from being able to get to them. That's what we do here with bird netting to keep birds from eating fruit and fruit trees. So I wish you luck. If you are in a area with fruit-eating bats and you have fruit that you want to protect from them, again, check your local authorities to make sure that you're taking appropriate action for them. But if you're in the United States, they're actually helping you. They're getting rid of the bugs that want to eat your fruits. And I don't know of any bats that eat vegetables, really. So I don't think that's going to be any concern so far as vegetables go. Well, come down to Savannah and visit the Ogeechee. I don't know why I can't say that. Ogeechee Canal site. If you don't know about it, back in the 1800s, this canal system was built here in Savannah to move product back and forth to the Savannah River, and it's still here in places, and you can still see remnants of it. So give it some time, come check it out. Have a good day, and please like and subscribe.